Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to tell you about if you had been looking for a deal on a dash cam or just looking for a dash cam in particular. I can't stress how I believe it's important to have one in your car just for safety purposes and evidentiary purposes. But if you'd been looking for one, I'm going to take you to the website to where I buy my dash cams from. Now you can buy dash cams from pretty much anywhere, Amazon, Newegg, but blackboxmycar.com, I stress them because they give you a warranty. They give you an extended day warranty, which really isn't a bad price. I think it's like $40 for a 3-year extended warranty, which is really not that bad. But they also can give you discounts if you are a first responder. Whether you are a nurse, a firefighter, a police officer, you will get a 10% discount towards the purchase of a dash cam. Now, there are several sales that they're having right now. You can buy a Blackview end of summer clearance. You get 10% off selected 4K and full HD models by using the code Blackview10. They have a couple of new cameras that just came out. There is the FineView GX33, and they're offering 20% off launching price. And then the ThinkWare Q1000, which is also new. 2K QHD front and rear with Super Night Vision 3.0 and ThinkWare connected, and that is now available. Now, this particular camera is not that expensive, and this is a dual dash cam for $158.99 US. And then you can save an extra 5% off with code FINE5 until September the 16th. Now, this is actually not a bad price. You can just make sure that you check the specs of it to find out if it's indeed the feature, if it has the features that you are looking for in the dash cam. Personally, I think this is a good buy for anyone who's looking for an inexpensive dash camera, but they also have the confidence in knowing that the place where you bought it from will take care of you if anything happens to the camera. You don't have to worry about, well, the 30-day warranty period being over and then you're out of luck, which is at other places where after the 30-day return period, if anything happens with that camera, unless the factory has a 1-year warranty or an extended warranty, then you're kind of out of luck. And you can check to see what's included in this particular dash cam setup. You have the main front camera, your rear camera, your mount, your SD card and adapter, your hardwire, power cable if you decide you want to hardwire it into your fuse panel, which is not that difficult. Some people may find it a little intimidating, and it can be, but they have videos showing you how to do this. You have the rear camera, the user manual, the quick manual, and the external GPS antenna. Now, you don't have to attach the GPS antenna. It's just if you want to say, well, I was here at this particular location, just for proof and letting the other parties know, whether it's law enforcement or if you have to go to court, to show them that yes, I was at this intersection or I was at this location. But it's not necessarily anything that you have to have. Your video will show where you were, so as long as you keep that visible, that is all you need. And these cameras have a lot of different features, and depending on what you want, you can actually come out of this with some very good quality video. Now, the ThinkWare usually has some pretty expensive cameras on their end because they are a premium dash cam maker. Now, with this being a new camera that just came out, it's a little on the high end. It's $429. This is something that can be outside of some people's budget, which I can understand, but it's not the only camera that they have here that you can purchase. Blackview is another premium dash cam manufacturer, and their cameras also can be very, very pricey. So if you're not looking for these high-end cameras, then don't fool yourself into getting one. Now, they have older versions of the cameras that can come out cheaper on price, but if you're not looking to spend anything of $400 or $300 on up, then I suggest that you look for a camera that fits more of your budget. So this is an older version of their dash cam, but it's $159, but it's brand new, but it's only a 1-channel. So if you're looking for a 2-channel system, which is this one over here, then it's going to cost you a little extra. But still, if you're looking for a dash cam under $250, a dual dash cam system, then this would be your good. This would be a good bet for you. Blackboxmycar.com has a very fast shipping time, which is usually 3 days, and that's expedited. But if you have any questions that you may have for the Black Box My Car community, you can just select here and you can actually chat with them. You can call them and they will get back to you. Every time I've contacted them, they've always gotten back with me. I advise you to get the extra warranty, which is not that expensive. As a matter of fact, just for example purposes, I'm going to show you how much the warranty usually runs. Whenever you click on a dash cam, it'll take you to the page of the dash cam, and then down here you'll see extended warranty, and if you click on this little caret here, you'll see 2-year extended warranty is $47.99, and then 3-year warranty is $49.99. Now it does vary by camera, so this may be a little higher than other dash cam warranties, but you have to do your research, shop around, see what's available, and you can actually check out what features these cameras have. Now here's the Fine View GX330, and as you can see, the warranty is cheaper. So the 2-year warranty is $28.99, and then the 3-year is $32.99. So it does vary by the dash cam that you get, so make sure that you keep that on notice. They have videos, video tutorials showing you how to install a dash cam. You can check the specifications so that you can get the full information as far as, you know, the temperature that it operates, the viewing angle, you know, the parking mode, GPS, the image sensor, everything that you need to know about the camera is included. It shows you the maximum SD card that this camera will take, which is 128 gigabytes, which is one of the features that I look for in the camera, because the higher the SD card space is, the more video footage that you can put on that card before the old video gets overridden by the new footage. Microphone, I definitely look for a microphone, because in case you're not able to get the license plate from the dash cam, in case it doesn't come in clear or in case it doesn't come in at all, you can read back or say what those numbers from the tag license plate is, and that way you'll have it on audio as well in case the video does not provide you that footage. As I've said before, you get a 10% discount if you are a first responder. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.